thing I'm going to introduce. So the Excel XMATCH function performs a lookup and returns a position in a vertical or historical ranges. So it's the newer version of the traditional match function, which would often be used with an index match function. Probably not going to be the most used formula you'll use, but a lot of what it can do is covered in the XLOOKUP. But we'll have a look at it anyway. There's 4 fields, 2 of which are mandatory and 2 of which are optional. So the lookup value is obviously your lookup, is the value you look up. The lookup array is the range you're looking up. And then you have 2 optionals. So match mode is an exact match mode similar to the XLOOKUP, and search mode again is the same as what we saw in the XLOOKUP. So we'll just look quickly at an example here of the XMatch, how it works. So our lookup value is the name, and our lookup array is the names here. And what this will do is return the whereabouts in the table the Anya Barnwell value is. So we see here it returns a value of 3. What that means is it's the 3rd entry into this table.